I have found an extremely simple and lightning fast technique which many big YouTubers are using and is getting them more views every year, and you can too. Okay, here we go. The first one, use interesting titles. Take your title of your most viewed video. Say for example you're a business channel. Title is Meet the $1 Billion Boy. Take that title that worked for you, whatever it is, and just keep that aside for now. We're going to use that later as well. Go onto YouTube and find other YouTube channels that have videos that popped off. The video has to have at least 100k views in the last year, and the YouTuber has to have at least 10k subs. Gather like 10 of those, put them all into a notepad or a spreadsheet like a Notion, which is a note-taking app, and then move on to the third step, and that is to use AI. You can use ChatGPT to generate even more titles. Using these ones that you have already, ask it to generate 30 exciting titles. You can use exciting emotional words like the following: most, highest, biggest, fastest, easiest, quickest, smallest, richest, cheapest, and many more. You can generate 30 video ideas like that, and then add those to your Notion template as well. Take note of all of those and find out which ones you really like, which ones are the best, and only use 10 of those. Those titles are gonna have a high chance of going viral because they are so good. How are you gonna know which ones are the best or not? They have to achieve something very easily or without spending a lot of resources. So for example, getting this business to $1 million a year in just 2 months, getting 1,000 views on a video in just 2 days. These are all dream outcomes. So your title has to have that. Also has to like generate some kind of curiosity, like find out this is the way that I planted 1,000 seeds and this happened or something. Basically it has to generate some kind of emotion, like curiosity. If your titles are doing that, then they will have a high chance of going viral. Okay, it's kind of stealing because you're taking ideas from other YouTubers on the platform, you are reusing them, and you are also using AI to make them even better and to come up with even more ideas. Well, it's not really stealing because you don't have to be original on here on YouTube. It doesn't matter. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You know what Pablo Picasso, you know what the great artist Picasso said: good artists borrow, great artists steal. This is not stealing. It's okay to copy. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just take an idea that works and just change a bit of it and then reuse it in your channel. It's okay. It's not stealing. It's fine. It has worked already, so it's more likely to work again on your channel. It has gotten views before, so it can get views again. So there is another step coming up. But first, if you are actually enjoying this video and it's actually helping you and giving you value, then I ask you to take a second to subscribe. Mahad here from Tuber, so let's make it to the top together. Grind, don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I make videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel and get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. Let me know if you have used AI to generate video titles before, and let me know if it works for you. Let me know down in the comments below. I actually read all of your comments. Okay, the last step. Now, once you make those videos, those 10 videos that you have found in your list, once you create them and you start making them, look at your analytics and see if they work, and do the process from the beginning again. Get the ideas from other YouTubers, generate some more ideas using AI, and then make videos on them. Okay, that's it for this video, but once you get views, how do you make money from those views? Check out this video that I have made for you right here.